Tired of being a couch potato after sitting for hours in the same spot? This genius SitJoy sofa will do all the heavy lifting for you. No need to press a button to control it. You can do it with your voice. With just a simple sleep mode or reading mode command, the sofa will adjust to your preferred position. The 6-gear armrest with storage brings even more comfort, and the built-in multifunctional mechanism lets you rock, swivel, or nap, while its 3-in-1 functional pillow provides optimal support for your neck and waist. In addition, the sofa is equipped with an immersive stereo sound system, 4 speakers, and a 360-degree adjustable cell phone holder to keep your hands free. And if your device is running low on battery, simply plug it into one of the 2 USB ports. Johnny Silverhand would probably use this shaver to take care of his beard because it fully appeals to cyberpunk aesthetics, that transparent body and breathing lights. It's slightly bigger than the AirPod case, but it's powerful enough to work up to 60 minutes on one full charge. The LCD display keeps you informed of battery status, while the travel lock prevents accidental activations. The shaver is waterproof, that's why after use, just rinse it under tap water to keep it clean. In short, it seems to be a nice shaver. Okay, here's the task. You need to take a lot of stuff and occupy as little room in your pocket as possible. Well, you can fit everything you need into this utility wallet by Bando. It holds up to 8 cards in that spring-loaded card holder, and there's a special place for your ID that's kept in place with a magnetic latch. And a cash band will keep your folded bills in place. Plus, there's a secret compartment for some valuables underneath, and of course it boasts RFID protection, so get rid of that bulky disaster in your jeans pocket. Riding a bike, you need a helmet to protect your head and a pair of gloves to protect your hands if it's cold outside. These Rockbros cycling gloves will handle that job. The outer polyester layer will protect your hands from wind and rain, while the inner fleece layer will keep them warm. What's cool? You can still use your phone with the gloves on. And finally, the reflective elements will make you more noticeable in the dark. How large can a toolbox be? This one fits in the palm of your hand, but it contains 39 pieces inside, including a ratchet, bits, sockets, and a holder, all in one sturdy case. Each piece is easily accessible even with oily hands, and the sockets are marked, saving you time searching for the right one. There's also a switchover lever that allows you to change between left and right directions. The bits are sharp and precise, and a small ratchet and tiny screwdriver help perform fixes in tight spaces where regular-sized tools won't fit. Finally, the pouch makes it easy to carry. The Little Giant Dark Horse is a combo of the best features such ladders might have. Consider this. Have you ever seen a regular ladder that can transform into a step ladder, extension ladder, 90-degree ladder, staircase ladder, or trestle and plank ladder? Me neither. It's made from durable, non-conductive fiberglass, so it's also perfect for jobs around electricity. The high-vis green color enhances visibility for safety, while the wide flared base ensures the ladder stays sturdy no matter what, preventing side tip accidents. This thing can handle up to 300 pounds. Truly, this is the most reliable, safe, and long-lasting ladder I've seen so far. It's time to drill smarter, not harder. These knee pads are designed to spare you painful knee and back aggravation if you work on all fours for extended periods. The lower platform lifts your shins, bidding farewell to pressure on your ankles. The knee pads cradle your knees and shins with ergonomic gel and foam as if they were tailor-made for you. And the wide straps that wrap above and below the knee free you from knee and back soreness. I also want to show you the other knee pads. They also feature a gel cushion and foam design that conforms to the natural shape of the knee and upper shin, maximizing pressure distribution for an extremely comfortable fit. But take a look at the wide footprint at the front, sides, and rear. This design eliminates tipping over, creating a stable and comfortable feel while reducing pressure on the ankle. You know those pesky narrow bag openings that make you wrestle with your tools? This bag's patent-pending opening is so wide it could double as a hanger door for tool jacks. Additionally, the clip-on pouches transform your tool organization into a breeze. Its hard-body construction ensures your tools stay snug and safe. Finally, with its rugged waterproof base, a zipper top for easy access, and off-road wheels that can handle the toughest terrains, it's the ultimate adventure companion for every job site. Do you remember that ending scene from the Inception movie? Now you have a chance to own the same beautiful spinning top. It can spin for a really long time. Each of the 16 models spins in its own way, whirling for at least 10 minutes on one good spin if those naughty paws won't achieve their goal. All of them work on a normal table, but the manufactured stand allows for maximum rotation. Another handy multi-tool? Well, sort of. This is a flashlight with some nice features. For example, it has 2 sources of light, a 2000 lumen main light that lights up to 820 feet in front of you, and a 550 lumen side light. This should work well when you need to light up something with a wider angle. The rotary switch allows all operations, turning on and off and switching between modes, colors, and color temperatures. Just like most flashlights, you can mount it on any metal surface to free your hands to, let's say, repair the car. Or use the SOS mode to make yourself more noticeable during your repair. And pay attention to the light indicator to charge it in time.